How to set default language in Google Chrome. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to set default language on Google Chrome browser. First up, after you open up your browser like this, so the next thing to do, click on this three dot, go to settings, go to languages, click on this add languages. So from this option now, click on this search and search for your language that you want to use, or you can just scroll to down and select the language from the list. So for this video, let's say I want to use this Arabic language. After you select the language, click on this add. Now here is the language. The next thing to do, click on this three dot, display Chrome in this language. So click on this relaunch button. So as you can see now my Chrome browser has changed to the language that I selected. Now if you want to change it back to the original language, which is English, just go to this option by looking at the icon of the language, and then after you click on the icon of the language, just click on this last one, English, three dot, display in this language. Click on this relaunch again. So now it will turn to English. That's it, guys, on how to set default language in Chrome. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.